we can use a FOIL method or we can use distributive property. So it's up to you which way you want to use it. Then first we can divide the first binomial, then we can put 3 and then x, and then we have 3x and then 5x minus 3 minus 4, then 5x minus 3. Then we will start to multiply. And once we will multiply, we will distribute الباور over, we will add الباور after we will multiply the coefficient together. Then 3 times 5, it will be how many? 3 times 5, it will be 15 x to the power of 2. After that, 3x times negative 3. It will be negative 9x. Then negative 4 times 5. It will be equal how many? It will be negative 20,
Negative
20x. And then negative 4 times negative 3, it will be positive. Say with me. Positive what? Positive 12. Now we have a like term, right? We have like term or not? Tell me, we have a like term or not? Where?
Yes.
Where is the
9x and 20x?
Yes. So we have negative 9 and negative 20. In this case, we will add or we will subtract negative 9 and negative 20. We will add or we will subtract
subtract.
negative 9 and the negative 20.
هو add بس they're negative.
With the negative sign, you mean? With the negative sign?
Oh, yes.
Yes. So we have 15 x square then 15x square minus 29x plus 12. So this is the answer for this question by using distributive property. The second way to answer this question, it will be FOIL method. So we have the same question, 5x minus 3 multiply, the first one was 3x minus 4. The second parentheses, 5x minus 3. Then we will start to multiply. Did you remember the word FOIL? Did you remember the word FOIL? So we said F donate for what?
First.
Okay, F for first. O?
Outer.
Outer. I?
Inner.
L?
Last.
Very good. Very good. Okay. After that, we want to multiply. Then 3x, we will start this one first. يعني the first number in the first parentheses, we will call it first. Okay. Then 3x, this is the first. 5x, this is the first in the second in the second parentheses. So for each parentheses, we have first. Okay. Then this is first and this is first. Sorry. Then we will start to multiply. Now we have 3x times 5x. It will be how many? It will be 15x to the power of 2. Then we will multiply the outer We said الouter, we can imagine that it looks like an umbrella, like this. So this is outer term. 3x multiplied by negative 3, it will be how many? It will be negative 9x. Then we will multiply the inner. Then it will be negative 4 times 5. It will be negative 20x.
20.
Don't forget the variable 20x. Then last time last. Negative 4 times negative 3. It will be how many? Positive 20. Sorry, positive what? 12. Now we will add a like term together. We have like term, negative 9 and negative 20. So the answer by the end, it will be 15x to the power of 2 negative 29x plus 12. Right? If you will check the final answer for the first method, will final answer for the second method, they are the same or different? They are the same or different?
They are the same.
They are the same, for sure. They should be the same, right? Because we answered the same question, but by two different methods. Okay, let me write another question, and you will start to answer, and I will ask anyone to say. Don't send it to me, but I will ask randomly who will answer this question. Then all the students, I have 19 students with me now. Please, you will start to answer. I will ask anyone, so don't tell me, okay? Start to work. The first question, 4x minus 7 4x minus 7, 5x plus 2. This is the first question. Second question, 4x minus 5, 4x minus 5. And we have third question, 4x minus 5, 4x plus 5. 4x, it will be 16 x to the power of 2. And then what we have to do? After that, yalla grade 8. Outer, it will be negative 20x. Inner, it will be negative 20x. Negative times negative, it will be positive 25. Do you have a like term here? Do we have a like term? Negative 20 and negative 20. Then we are going to write 16
Yes.
x to the power of 2, and then we will add negative 20 and negative 20 together. Then it will be, how many? Negative 20 and negative 20. It will be negative 40x. And we said we add and subtract, we will keep the variables the same. Then plus 25. Okay, so the answer it will be 16x to the power of 2 minus 40x plus 25. We can write this question like this. What do you notice about the two parentheses, grade 8? What do you notice about the two parentheses? It's 4. What do you notice? 4x minus 5 and 4x minus 5. They are a 4x minus 5, 4x minus 5. They are the same, right? So we can write it like this. 4x minus 5 all to the power of 2. Then 4x minus 5 all to the power of 2, we can expand it to write it 4x minus 5 and 4x minus 5. Okay, the last question. The last question was, last question, 4x minus 5.
4x minus 5 or 4x plus 5.
4x minus 5 and 4x plus 5. What do you notice about the two parentheses? What do you notice? They are the same, but one negative and the second is
different signs.
what? Different sign. So we will answer the question. 4x times 4x, it will be 16 x to the power of 2, right? Then outer, like this, it will be 20x. Will enter negative 20x. Then 20x will negative 20x. We will add them together, right? 20 minus 20, it will be how many? 20 minus 20, it will be how many? 0, right? And then negative 5 times positive 5, it will be negative 25. Then we can say something here. If we have the same parentheses with different sign, then always the outer and the inner, it will give us 0. Then we can answer the question now. 8x minus 5, 8x plus 5. So now they are the same, but they have different sign at the middle. Then we will ignore the outer and the inner. So the answer, it will be what? Grade 8 directly. 8x minus 5, 8x plus 5. We will ignore the outer and the inner. We will multiply only first with first, second with second. So it will be 64x to the